Hi! In front of me is Nokia 22040 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, you need to open menu and go into Devices Settings. In them, select Connectivity section, pick Bluetooth and click on Bluetooth to activate it. When it's ready, select Phone Name section and finally type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. When you're ready to save your new name, just click on OK in the middle. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!